Hi guys, Dana with Spun Paradise Cotton Candy. We are making ice cream with our sugar floss. It's just a really fun, simple thing to do if you have some leftover sugar floss to just turn it into yummy ice cream. Okay, so we are using 1 cup of whipping cream, 1 cup of half and half, oops. And then we are going to use, today I'm just using pineapple sugar floss. You could totally use any flavor and it would be delicious. I'm going to do half a cup of sugar floss. We're just going to mix it up. Just want to make sure you get the sugar a little bit distributed throughout the liquid a little bit. You're going to have a little bit in the bottom of the bowl. Just scrape it into the ice cream maker. It will take care of it. So we mixed it up. I'm just going to put it in the ice cream maker. Today I'm using a Cuisinart ice cream maker. This one just cools down by itself by plugging it in and turning it on. You could absolutely though just use a machine that has the insert for the freezer and it would work just as well. And power it on. And it's going to get started with spinning the cotton candy, making it, or not the cotton candy, mixing up that ice cream. So just, if you are interested in using sugar floss, we again are using pineapple sugar floss, our Spun Paradise organic. You can find that over on the website if you need some, spunparadise.com. I also wanted to say if you wanted to make this vegan instead of the 1 cup each of heavy cream and half, you can just use 2 cups of full fat coconut milk, the sugar floss, and you're good to go. And it's super tasty and delicious, and it's just a really good vegan option. So we're going to leave this spinning, mixing in the ice cream maker for about 45 to 60 minutes, and we'll check it out when it's done. Okay, so the ice cream is finished turning. It took exactly 38 minutes today in my machine to turn, and I'm just going to show you guys how it turned out. It's nice and thick, and I'm just going to take a little bit to scoop it into my bowl so you guys can see. And we have yummy pineapple ice cream tonight. Now you could put this in a Tupperware and just put it in the freezer. This is more of like a soft serve consistency right now. So if you prefer your ice cream to be a little harder, then you can just put it in the freezer. Here we have our super yummy pineapple ice cream made with sugar floss. Just gonna try a bite. So delicious, you guys. It turned out really yummy. So again, just a super fun, yummy thing to do if you have some leftover sugar floss, or maybe you just want to use the sugar floss to make ice cream. It's delicious. Keep it sweet.